Who is Eshu? Eshu is a powerful, complex, and multifaceted Orisha in Yoruba spirituality, sent into the world to ensure that humanity could live in peace and prosperity. He is the epitome of wisdom, transformation, and balance. His significance extends beyond West Africa, influencing various cultures and traditions in the African diaspora. Eshu is often depicted as messenger, mediator, and guardian between the mortal world and the spiritual realm. Eshu acts as a mediator between the Orisha and the people, delivering sacrifices, prayers, and messages. That sounds like Jesus, right? Not Satan. Also, Eshu is associated with crossroads, representing the intersection of different paths, choices, and possibilities. He guides individuals through life's challenges and decisions. Eshu represents the balance between chaos and order, good and evil, and light and darkness. Eshu is revered for his wisdom, insight, and ability to reveal hidden truth. Isn't that awesome? Of course, that is not Satan. That sounds more like Jesus, right? Now you know who Eshu is. You're welcome.